everyone, so today I'm going to show you the process of my customized Stray Kids figurine fridge magnets. So basically what I do is that I outline the shape of the figurine so that it's easier for me to shape it out with the air dry clay. And today my air dry clay is actually a whole new different brand. I'm using the Mongo, I hope I pronounced it correctly, and it's in the peach color. So I'm actually quite excited using this because I don't know how it goes. I don't actually really like the dust clay, so I was trying to find different types of clay to see which are better. So basically when I was using the specific Mongo air dry clay, I realized that it's even worse than the dust air dry clay because this dries even faster. So basically I had to put in a lot of water just to prevent it from cracking. The character right now I'm doing is Bocati, which is Felix figurine or mascot, whichever you want to say. It is actually a shape of circle, so it's pretty much the easiest one out of all. As you can see, I'm blending in with a lot of water. And next is Lino's Libit, which is the shape of a bunny. So right now I am blending in the ears, and you have to make sure you blend in really nicely because it is quite easy to have the ears break off or have cracks. Changmin's Turkey and Lino's Libit is not any much difference except, just have to make the chin a little bit sharper. So which is what I'm doing right now. I make the chin a little bit sharper and then I try to flatten it up so that I can make the face a little bit smoother. And then I added the ears and that's pretty much it. It's pretty much next day and I finished everyone else except for Wolf-chan. Wolf-chan is a little bit more special because the ears are kind of like flows down to the face. I know it may sound a little bit like what is she talking about. I'll try to put an image on it so that you can kind of understand what I'm talking about. And what I did is that even though it's kind of like combined, I still do it separately. So I do the face shape first and then I do the ears, and then after that I kind of add a little bit of clay at a time and I blend it in. right now I'm varnishing them with Mod Podge. I mix a little bit of water with it, so hope they'll go out nicely. Okay, finally I have the package that arrived at like 9:40 at night. I'm really hoping this is the magnet. I think it's the magnet. Let me try if I can open it with one hand while filming this. Okay, hold on, wait, you're kidding me, there's only one, oh my gosh, hold on, oh what, am I not reading the right thing? It says 10, right? Or not? Okay, I need to purchase my magnets like urgently. Well, not exactly, but the problem is like if I don't have my magnets, then I cannot do the fridge magnets, right? So I think I'm just going to go for SG stock so that I can get it like real fast, real quick. Now this makes it so much clearer. Well, I'm not being scammed or anything because like, I mean, it's my fault that I have read, the description wrongly. I kind of misunderstood what it has stated. But the thing is like, you gave me one little small magnet of size like this and you put it in a box like that. I would have seriously thought I purchased at least 10 of it. I mean, like, seriously. You people. I'm gonna put this back into the box. I'm gonna show this to my mom tomorrow in the morning because she's asleep now. I mean, it's like 10. Since you all deliver it such a late night, you all make it like it's so mysterious and everything that you all have to deliver it so late at night when it's just one teeny tiny little magnet. Me. 你懂这个是我那个 magnet 的 magnet 进来了，昨天晚上。
哦，你说放在门口的。
你看里面。
一粒而已。一粒。
所以哦，结果你看它的箱，我就以为它的箱子那么大，然后我就在想，哇，我的magnet来了了。然后我看，为什么只有1粒而已？我觉得很好笑。然后后来我再重订。I think it's here. Yeah, finally, the magnets are here. And I ordered them correctly this time round. Ta-da!